For many new parents, they have not heard of the eat, play, sleep routine, and I know that when I was a first-time mom, I had no idea that it mattered what order my kids were doing things in. It wasn't until I heard of the eat, play, sleep routine that I really understood the importance of it, and I really saw it in action and how it helped my baby improve his sleep. So basically the concept of eat, play, sleep routine is exactly that. First they eat, then they play, then they sleep. And from a very young age, like yes, they're gonna eat, they're gonna play. So play means any kind of awake activity. So I know you're probably thinking, well, my 2-month-old isn't going to play. Well, no, he's not. But he's going to be aware of his surroundings, and you're going to provide some of those activities that we talked about before. You're gonna provide some of those activities for him to engage in while he's awake. After that period of awake time is when your baby is going to sleep, and then when they wake up, you offer a full feeding and repeat the cycle of eat, play, sleep all day long. So of course, I have to throw it out there that at night it is only eat, sleep, eat, sleep, eat, sleep, probably poop here or there. But sometimes I get the question of, if we're doing eat, play, sleep during the day, do I have to do it at night? Absolutely not. Do not do eat, play, sleep at night. Just eat and sleep.